Well, hello there, folks. Today I want to talk about a topic which I call the viewer versus the doer paradox. The viewer versus the doer paradox, right? Now, this is in the world of the paradigm of training and presenting and learning in general, right? Now, this is nothing groundbreaking or revolutionary other than I just want to introduce you to the idea that before you do anything and you're watching someone else do something, it's very comfortable to view it. But you only really discover how hard it is to do it once you try to do it, all right? So a simple example of this is when I'm presenting and training. Everyone's like, yeah, la, all good, all right? But then once you pop people into activities, then they start to realize, well, it's not as easy as I thought. It's not as easy as I thought, all right? And, just like when we watch someone on TV, maybe they're a singer, maybe they're an athlete, a sports person, it all looks easy until we try and do it ourselves. It all looks easy. And I call this the viewer versus the doer paradox, right? And many times in life, we'll go after our goals, we'll try and do things, but we look up to other people that have already achieved certain level of results and we go, it's easy, isn't it? Well, it's only easy once you've actually done the yards, once you've actually put in the effort, once you've done the learning along the way, right? So this is going to show up for all of us anytime, every time. When we look at someone and go, I want to be just like them, it's easy, isn't it? And then you start to do the doing. And then you start to realize, maybe there's a lot of exploration. Maybe there's a lot of mistakes that they made along the way to get to the point where they actually are. All right. So I just thought it was quite interesting, the viewer versus the doer paradox and how that shows up in our lives, right? In all areas, whether we watch someone like Ed Sheeran, great guitarist, we go, oh yeah, must be easy to be him. Well, we sometimes forget the doing of the doing that led to all of that success along the way. On that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. If you did, like, comment, share. Let's get the message out there. The doing versus the viewing paradox. It's not as easy as we think until we start doing it and we realize how hard it actually is. And many times people are looking at you, judging you, thinking it's a piece of cake when really they haven't walked a mile in your shoes just yet. On that note, folks, hope you got some value. See you on the next one. Bye for now.